We are Gay and Robert. 5 years ago, we quit our jobs, sold our house and all of our possessions, and began living the dream of traveling the world with only backpacks on our backs. After flying over 300,000 miles and visiting 82 countries, COVID brought us to a screeching halt. True to our fashion, we improvised and bought a brand new van and built it out in just 6 weeks to explore the United States until international travel opens up.
All right, 1:30 in the morning.
Oh man,
Whose 3 hours of sleep.
Whose idea was this? 3 hours? I think I got an hour.
I think I went to bed about, 10:30 maybe? Yeah.
Yeah, I fell asleep. Last time I looked at my clock, it was midnight, so.
But it'll be fun. I mean, we're only, we can't see it right now, but yeah, we can't see it at all, but we will put headlamps on, and once Alex and Luke get up, we're ready to roll.
Here's the guide.
So we're like,
guide.
Can we start like at 8?
I heard the wind roaring all night. I'm like, oh, maybe we'll cancel.
Yeah, I was hoping the wind would really kick in.
Yeah. See, to me, it's not getting up early. It's going to bed thinking I have to get up early. So once, like right now, I feel fine. I mean, I totally am okay.
Oh yeah, that looks much easier putting those on. Those are awesome. Wow.
You guys' hands are cold?
I'm good now.
Yeah, mine are cold, but they're not bad now. But
Yeah, so if they get cold, obviously you'll need to wait for an area like this. But wave them like that, and fresh blood will flow into your hands.
oh, okay.
That'll warm them right up. Lay down, I'll shoot, which will make it that much more fun.
There's a shadow of Mount Hood out that direction. Maybe you can see it. Sun behind it. There's Mount Jefferson, I guess, out there. There's another one behind that. Maybe actually 2 of them behind that.
How's everybody holding up?
Good. It's awesome. So
From this point, it's smooth sailing until we get to Old Chute, and then we got 700 to 1,000 feet of climbing, and then
Take out the axes.
yeah, we'll take out the axes and take it slow there. But we're making great time. Like, I'm not concerned about temperature. We'll get up there as long as the mountain allows it, and as long as we feel good.
feel like the Swiss guy in The Price is Right. Making the way.
You'll need to obviously hold on to the ice axe, and then you'll need to roll onto this and just dig this as deep as you can in. If you're going fast, obviously, like if you're about to hit anything or go off a cliff, which you won't here, there's no cliffs. Yeah. Put your crampons down, but don't do it unless you're about to die, because these it'll rip your Achilles. It'll fuck you up. So these are last resort. So keep your feet up. But honestly, man, like I've done Old Chute. It's steep, but take your time. Yeah. And you'll be fine. Also, I trust it's common sense. Like if shit's looking a little weird, or you're not feeling. Yeah. If you're not feeling.
Looks a little hairy. I probably won't push it too much, just being alone. So.
Yeah. If you're not feeling 100%.
It's a blast.
Oh yeah.
It's fun.
Very fun.
Well, I'm looking, I'm pretty good. There's no rocks in front of me.
Yeah.
There's skiers walking up, so.
Right, you don't want them to try to do something.
Well, I didn't. They stopped to see where I was going, you know. But. Plus, you don't know what speed you're gonna get. I mean, you can get a pretty good speed going.
Oh yeah, you go straight down here on your back, so you're gonna.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah. It wouldn't be good.
Well, you guys don't know any different, but double kitchen area is my favorite.
Yeah.
Summit's awesome, but you see the majority of the summit on this side, and the summit's cool. It's cool to say you went there, but Devil's Kitchen's so sweet to see the the fumigates or whatever they're called.
Yeah, it's very cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, like you said with that guy, he's like, congrats, you know. I mean, yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, at this point, you'll actually get like a 6 if you don't follow the trail correctly.
It's all staked there.
Alex coming down on his split board. Probably a little icy for him, but.
One way to get down there.
Yeah.
So impressive.
That looks fun. A little icy, I think.
Yeah.
All right, and we need to finish up the rest of this clip.
We saw people taking their skis up a lot. I mean, I'd say 10 people with skis on their back, and they actually ski down from the summit.
Yeah.
It's not even like they just do this. They go from the freaking summit.
Yeah.
Craziness. And the one guy was definitely older than us.
Oh yeah.
You know, and he's like, yeah, whatever, you know. So.
Yeah, we're going up to the summit. We're gonna ski down.
So I'm thinking when we get that age, then maybe we'll do it. So.
Then we'll give it a go.
Yeah. Good morning.
Morning, good, thank you.
That is where we came from.
So that is Mount Hood. I mean, we're on it, of course, but that's how you summit up there.
we went to Devil's Kitchen, which is like right where that middle peak rock is. It's right on the bottom side of that. And it's not that far to summit as far as, but it's super steep and you need your axe. And so it's a good place to go. So can it be a blast and suck at the same time? It's like we saw the van, it's right down there. It was like, that was like 4 hours ago.
I brought my board. As much as it sucks going up, I've been here for like an hour.
I know, well, and then my toes are jamming in the front, and especially when you...
Going downhill.
Oh, that was fun, but holy, I mean, it was a blessing in disguise that my stomach was sour, because I mean, I'm wiped now, and if I would have summoned, you know.
Yeah, that's one thing a lot of people kind of overlook is like, you gotta go back down.
Yeah.
And it's not always, sometimes it's more difficult, but it's always difficult in a different way.
Yeah, it's the constant repetition.
Yep.
They're like, yeah, I was up last week. I'm up today. That's Sunday. I'll be here tomorrow. Yeah.
I want older guys. Stand down. Yeah, we're gonna summit. Oh my God, what an amazing day we had doing a mountaineering climb up Mount Hood with our son Alex and his friend Luke. We attempted to summit all the way to the top of Mount Hood, but thankfully we made a decision on not going up all the way. It got really gnarly.
Well, and we started at 2 in the morning in the pitch black, of course, which was beautiful. A long hike, but then it got to a point where it was really pretty gnarly. Probably not over our ability to do it for sure, just more of our tolerance level of danger, really. Luke ended up doing it all the way. Alex was nice enough to come down with us because he was guiding us. But Luke did summit and said it was crazy. And Luke's a little younger than us, maybe, even though we saw people going up with skis on their back that were older than us, and they were going to ski down the summit.
Yeah.
So it was amazing day.
Yeah, I'm thankful that we weren't able to go, because based on what Luke was saying, when he went up the wall, he got to the top and thought, holy cow, I now need to get down this, and I am not sure how I'm going to get down. So I know I would have made the decision at the bottom of that wall that this is too risky and I don't want to do it.
Well, we had ice axe to do it, but it probably would have been a little too, we love adventure, but probably one step above where we would have felt comfortable.
Right.
But
it was so awesome to see Alex just have that ability and to have no fear and
guide us.
Guide us.
I mean, he knew all the little things about everything.
He's done this. Yeah. He's done this summit several times, and the bummer is we had to turn around and we had to walk back down, which of course we have to walk back down. He, on the other hand, had skis and he skied on the way up, and then he put his skis together and he snowboarded down. So he got down in like 20 minutes, and it took us like 2 hours. So that was probably the most painful part of it. But we just can't ask for a better day.